is Crypto Army. In today's video, we'll be showing you guys how to add the Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet. Without much ado, let's get started now. But if you've already installed MetaMask on your phone, you are good to go. But if not, check in the description. You will see how to install MetaMask. Follow the procedure and install one on your phone. Now let's get started. Press MetaMask on your phone, then you put in the necessary password that you used to log in. Now once you are done logging in, you will get to this interface. This is the MetaMask works on the Ethereum main network, so this is how the interface is going to be. So we want to add the Binance Smart Chain, so just press these three dashes here, go to settings, then you choose networks, then we want to add a Binance Smart Chain, so it's not here, so we are adding. You press add network. Now we will have to provide these information: the network name, the URL, the chain, all these information. So so the network is Smart Chain. Smart Chain. And the URL, okay. Network is Smart Chain, the URL, so we'll copy. I'll leave all this information in the description so that you make use of it. Okay, so once you are done copying, you go back to the MetaMask. Then you paste it here. Okay, so you go back again to copy the chain ID. The chain ID is 56. So 56. The symbol is what? BNB. So we choose BNB. And the block explorer URL, that one you will have to go and copy. So once you are done copying, we come back to MetaMask and we paste it. We paste it here. Paste. Okay, so that is it. Then we press add. Okay, so you have switched to the Binance Smart Chain. The native token on this wallet, blah blah blah. So we just have to press got it, and here is the Binance Smart Chain. So from here, if you want to send or receive BNB from our Binance account onto this platform, we can easily do it. So this is what this video is about, trying to connect BNB to your MetaMask wallet. If this video was helpful to you, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.